Welcome the students of SC Civil for the subject Concrete Technology, Unit number 2. The title is Production, Properties and Testing of Fresh Concrete. So for this subject we will refer the reference book M.A. Shetty, then M.L. Gambhir and Adam Nevely. First we will see the course objectives. First, to know the properties of various ingredients of concrete and concept of mixed design. Second course objective is to learn the behavior and properties of concrete in fresh state and hardened state. Third course objective is to understand special concrete and their applications. Fourth course objective is to understand the durability aspects and preventive measures to enhance the life of the concrete. Now we will see the course outcomes. The students will be able to select the various ingredients of concrete and its suitable proportion to achieve desired strength. Second course outcome, students will be able to check the properties of concrete in fresh state and hardened state. Third course outcome is students will get acquainted to concreting equipments, techniques and different types of special concrete. Fourth course outcome is students will be able to predict deteriorations in concrete and get acquainted to various repairing methods and techniques. So unit number 2, production, properties and testing of fresh concrete. It includes part A, production and properties of fresh concrete, which includes nominal mixes, water cement ratio, process of manufacturing fresh concrete, batching, mixing, transportation, compaction, curing of concrete, curing methods, influence of temperature, maturity rule, workability and factors affecting workability, cohesion and segregation. It also includes part B, test on fresh concrete, workability by slump cone, compaction factor, VB consistometer and flow table apparatus. Effects of admixture on workability of concrete and optimum dosage of admixture by Marsh cone test. So we will see the part A, that is production and properties of fresh concrete, which includes nominal mixes, water cement ratio, process of manufacturing fresh concrete, batching, mixing, transportation, compaction, curing of concrete, curing methods, influence of temperature, maturity rule, workability and factors affecting workability, cohesion and segregation. Now we will see in this lecture the part A, production and properties of fresh concrete. First, nominal mix. Second, standard mix. Third, water cement ratio. Fourth, process of manufacturing fresh concrete. So first we will see the nominal mix. The M20, M15, M10, M7.5 and M5. These are the nominal mixes as per the clause number 9.3, page number 23 of IS, that is Indian Standard 456-2000. So we have seen first the nominal mix. Now second we will see the standard mix. So in the standard mix, it is having the proportion 1:1, 1.5:3, 1:2, 2:4, 1:3, 3:6, 1:4, 4:8 and 1:5, 5:10. So here this is the proportion. 1 indicates the quantity of the cement, then 1.5 indicates the quantity of the fine aggregate and 3 indicates the quantity of the coarse aggregate, and all these should be taken by weigh batching only. So we have also seen the standard mix. Now we will see the water cement ratio. So here we can see the figure 1, schematic representation of a 2 fresh cement paste having a water cement ratio of 0.65, here it is there, and of 0.25 water cement ratio is there. So here we can see the dark color indicates anhydrous cement grains and light color indicates water. So this is the fresh cement paste. So here we can see the water faint color and dark color indicates anhydrate cement grains. So between each particles of the cement grain, the water is surrounded for 0.65 water cement ratio. And if we see the water cement ratio of 0.25, the particles of the anhydrate cement grains, they are touching to each other. Very few places are there where the water is there, because the water cement ratio is 0.25. As per the table number 5, page number 20 of IS 456-2000, the water cement ratio is given here. The table number 5, minimum cement content, maximum water cement ratio and minimum grade of concrete for different exposures with normal weight aggregate of 20 mm nominal maximum size. So here for the plain concrete, water cement ratio is given 0.6, 0.6, 0.5, 0.45 and 0.4 as per the exposure condition: mild, moderate, severe, very severe and the extreme. And for reinforced concrete, that is RCC, it starts from 0.55, 0.50, 0.45, 0.45 and 0.40 for mild, moderate, severe and very severe and extreme exposure condition respectively. So we have seen the water cement ratio. Now we will see the process of manufacturing the fresh concrete. So here the processes are given. Here the 7 steps are there. First is the batching, mixing, transportation, placing, compaction, finishing and curing. These are the processes of manufacturing the fresh concrete. So we have seen the process of manufacturing the fresh concrete. So here we have seen in part A, production and properties of fresh concrete. First, the nominal mix. Second, standard mix. Third, water cement ratio. And fourth, process of manufacturing the fresh concrete. So here we can see the YouTube links available on the YouTube, that is understanding nominal mix for concrete as per IS 456-2000, nominal mix versus design mix of the concrete. Next YouTube link is the water cement ratio of concrete, strength of concrete part 2. Next YouTube link is the water cement ratio. Next YouTube link, concrete technology, water cement ratio. Next YouTube link, the overview of the stages involved in the manufacture of the concrete, manufacture of concrete part 1. Next YouTube link, understanding nominal mix for concrete as per IS 456-2000. Next YouTube link is manufacture of the concrete. Next YouTube link, how to manufacture the concrete. So we have seen in part A, production and properties of fresh concrete. First, the nominal mixes. Second, we have seen standard mix. Third, we have seen the water cement ratio. And fourth, we have seen the process of the manufacturing the fresh concrete. So in part A, as per the syllabus, it includes production and properties of fresh concrete. It includes nominal mix, water cement ratio, process of manufacturing fresh concrete, batching, mixing, transportation, compaction, curing of concrete, curing methods, influence of temperature, maturity rule, workability and factors affecting workability, cohesion and segregation. So it includes the part A. Similarly, it includes part B, tests on the fresh concrete, which includes workability by slump cone, compaction factor, VB consistometer and flow table apparatus, effect of admixture on workability of concrete and optimum dosage of admixture by Morse cone test. Thank you all students.